Now click on here. Now see here, our today's topic is how to use the how can we use which one how to use which one do while loop in the Visual Basic how to use do while loop in Visual Basic में हम लोग looping statement कैसे यूज करेंगे. So we have different looping statements in the Visual Basic. So one of the looping statement is do while loop, another one is for next loop, so do while loop. What is the syntax for this do while loop is, first we have to write the what statement, we have to write one keywords. Do and while is a fixed keywords means reserve word. We cannot use do and while declaring a variable. These are keywords has certain reserve meaning. We cannot use these two things while naming a variable. जब भी हम लोग variable declare करेंगे, at that time you cannot take these two. ये fixed keywords है. It has certain fixed meaning. Do while and then condition, any condition. Here any condition, and here the condition, and here is the loop. So this is loop, this is do, this is while. These two are fixed keywords. This is loop is also one keyword. So these three things you cannot use. And this is what condition. This is what condition. Any condition you can write. So this is the syntax of do while loop. This is the syntax of do while loop for any looping statements. See here, for any looping state. So we have two types of looping statements in Visual Basic. First one is do while loop, second one is for loop. For every looping statements, these are what, for every looping statements we have three basic points. So first one is initialization. Second one is increment and decrement statement. And third one is what, condition. So in this syntax of do while loop, here you will specify the condition, here you will specify the condition, right? So this part you can write here, right? Initialization. So first where you will write the initialization, before do and loop, do और loop के above में आप लिखिएगा, ठीक है ना? So here you have to specify, here we need to specify the condition, specify the initialization logic. Here you have to write initialization logic, here you have to write. Above the do while loop you have to write the initialization. And increment and decrement statement. So increment and decrement statement you have to write between these do and loop के बीच में लिखना होगा. Here between do and loop, here in between do and loop we have to write lot of statements, any statements you will write. So in these multiple statements you are allowed here. So one of the statements you will write here increment and decrement. So अभी जितना जो भी बता, अगर नहीं भी समझ में आया है तो प्रैक्टिकल अभी करेंगे तो ज्यादा आप लोग को समझ में आएगा. सो सी प्रैक्टिकली एवरीवन. So click on file, new project. So Windows, any project name, give any project name is do while loop, or printing, right? Click on OK. So this is a form. Everyone is in the class or not? Everyone is listening or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now see here. So I am taking one button है हमारे पास, print button. ये बटन है प्रिंट बटन. So see here the name of the button is print button, and today is the last class also of this chapter. So the name of the button is print button. So my requirement here, if I will click on this button, I want to print all the numbers between 1 to 20. 1 to 20 के बीच में जितने भी numbers हैं, I want to print all the numbers from 1 to 20. So if I will click on this button, I want to print all the numbers from 1 to 20 using do while loop. Using do while loop. Right. So see here, click on toolbox. Here is one list box. List box. Why? Earlier I have not used this list box. इससे पहले अभी तक हम लोग list box नहीं लिए थे. List box. This is also one of the controls. See here, common controls. In the common control section, list box is there. So list box is what? It is also one of the control, right? So why this list box is used? This control is used. You can add multiple items. You can add multiple items in the list box. List box में हम लोग multiple item add कर सकते हैं. See here, list box. This list box has certain property, but this list box doesn't have any text property. See here, if you see S, size, sorted, tab, index, there is no what? Text property of the text box, list box. So list box has the name property. So name property is mandatory for everyone. For every control, name property is mandatory, but text property is not mandatory for every control, right? So text, this one is what? List box. List means multiple items you can add here. Multiple items we can add here. So click on this print. अब ये print पे मैंने click किया, print button पे click किया, right? So see here everyone, what is my requirement is first run this program. Run this program. Now see here everyone. So this one, here see everyone. My requirement is if I will click here, click on this button, all the numbers between 1 to 20 will be listed here in this control. ये जो control मैंने लिया है, इस control में ये सारा हमारा value print होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? 1 to 20. So for that I am going to use the looping statement. So click on this print. Screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. So first I will what? Here click on this print button. So here I will write the program here in between this. So what is my aim is I want, see here, this one is the text box. So this list box, sorry, this list box has the identity list box one. I am changing this one list box L. Anything you can write. Already I have discussed these things. So LT I am writing, right? So click on print. So here I'm using one, I'm writing for loop, do while loop. Why? So syntax of do while loop is do, and see here, do while. Do while, click on this, do while any condition. Here I will write any condition. So what is my condition? I am taking, or I am declaring, before this I am declaring one variable. Which variable? Suppose I am taking one variable, number type of variable. So how I will declare the variable? Dim statement. Dim n as what? Integer. Integer. Everyone remember or not, or forget? Yes.
Remember.
Yes. So here n is what? One variable, integer variable. Here I am writing one condition. What? Do while one condition is what? N. N is what? Integer. N what? Less than. N less than equal to 20. Do while, here is the condition n less than 20. Now see here, the already I have, see here, this one is what? The fixed syntax of do while loop. Do while loop का ये syntax है. Do is what? One keyword. While is what? One keyword. Here what is this? This one is one condition. Any condition. So I have written one condition. N is less than equal to 20. And this is what? Loop. Loop indicates that between do and loop you have to rotate, इसी के अंदर हमको घूमते रहना, ठीक है ना. So see here, अब here between do and loop we will write one condition, we will write multiple statements. So what is my statement is, so see here, and I have discussed three parts are there in any looping statement. So this is what conditional parts. Where is the initialization? Above do while के above में हम लोग initialization करेंगे. So n equal to 1, n equal to 1 हम कहाँ लिख रहे हैं? Before do while, ये do while के ऊपर में लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है ना. So this is what initialization part, initialization part of what? Do while loop. Initialization part of do while loop. This one is what? Comment. This one is what? Comment, right? And this one is what? Initialization part. See here, this one is, sorry, condition part. Condition part of do while. Condition part of do while. For any loop, three condition is there. This one is condition part, initialization part, increment or decrement part. So see here, I am writing one statement, and in between do and loop we will write multiple statements. So one of the statement I am writing LT. LT is what? List box. LT is what? List box dot items dot add, right? What I want to add? N. So click on this here, write n is equal to n plus 1, n equal to n plus 1. This is what? Increment or decrement statement. Increment or decrement statement. Increment and decrement part of do while. Do while का ये increment decrement means what? Either increase or decrease the value of the variable. Value of variable increase or decrease करना. So see here everyone, try to understand. So first time the value of n is what? 1. So here this code, try to understand everyone. Screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now see, try to understand here.
Yes, sir.
So first time, so n value is 1. N value is 1, and here while n value is 1. Just wait. Now see, this is the program I have written. So why I have written these are the comments. So we need to know use of this. Just for our reference, we have written, right? So see here, first time the n value is 1. So here do while. So condition is what? N less than equal to 20. So n value is 1. First time n value is 1. 1 is less than equal to 20. True or false? 1 is less than equal to 20. It is true or false?
Sir, true.
So whenever it is true, if this is what? One condition. If this condition is returning true, whatever the statements written between do and loop, do यहाँ पर do while और loop के बीच में जो भी statement लिखा है ना, वो execute होता है, ठीक है. So what is the statement? it.items.add n. It means text box, what? List box dot items dot add. इसका मतलब ये हुआ, और bracket n. So this one is what? Add is a function. ठीक है ना. अब यहाँ पर इस स्टेटमेंट का मतलब है कि n का वैल्यू हमारे पास 1 है. 1 we need to add 1 into the list box. लिस्ट बॉक्स में ऐड करना है 1. लिस्ट बॉक्स में मैं ऐड कर देना है 1. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज n इक्वल टू n प्लस 1. n का वैल्यू 1 था. 1 प्लस 1 मीन्स 2. नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज 2. n का वैल्यू अब मेरे पास 2 हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट, इंक्रीमेंट स्टेटमेंट. नाउ we will reach here loop. From loop we will come back to again here. यहाँ पर फिर वापस आ जाएंगे. n is less than equal to 20. n means 2. 2 is next time n value is 2. 2 is less than equal to 20. राइट. सो कंडीशन इज ट्रू. अगेन ट्रू मीन्स फिर डू और लूपिंग स्टेटमेंट मीन्स व्हाट, रिपीट कर रहे हैं सेम ही स्टेटमेंट्स को अगेन एंड अगेन. वी आर डूइंग द सेम टास्क अगेन एंड अगेन. एक ही टास्क को हम लोग बार बार कर रहे हैं until the condition will reach to false. See here, so n value is 2 less than 20, so it is true. True means again these statements you need to perform. Items dot add it means list box, so list box में add करना है this time n. So n means what, 2 we have to add in the list box. Second times in the list box 2 will be added, right? So here 2 will be added in the list box. Next time loop से यहाँ से वापस फिर आ जाएंगे यहाँ पे. Here see, third n equal to n plus 1 means n का value, now the value of n is 3. So loop, next statement is loop से back फिर आ जाएंगे यहाँ पे n less than equal to 30, n value is 3 less than 20. So this condition is true. Condition true means again next one statement is what, items dot add. Again we have to add 3 where, in the list box. List box में 3 add होगा. So this process will continue how many times? One time, there will be one time where there is one situation where the value of n will become 21. ये n का वैल्यू 21 हो जाएगा, ये कंडीशन फॉल्स हो जाएगा. कंडीशन फॉल्स हो जाएगा. जैसे ही कंडीशन फॉल्स होगा, हम लोग ये जो लूप स्टेटमेंट है ना, डू और लूप के बीच में रोटेट कर रहे हैं, वो बाहर मींस खत्म हो जाएगा, ये ब्रेक कर जाएगा. ब्रेक कर जाएगा. उसके बाद जो भी स्टेटमेंट्स, इन सारे स्टेटमेंट्स के अलावा इसके आगे जो भी स्टेटमेंट रहेगा वो एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. Why? Because this condition is now false. समझ में आ रहा? So see here everyone, the same program here also. Those who are not attending the class regularly, I don't think they will understand anything. Right? So this is the program. So किसी भी looping statement में what is the main point? Initialization. This one. Next one is condition. This one. Next one is increment or decrement. Right? And this one is what, do while loop. Next जो रहेगा हमारा for loop रहेगा. Next क्या रहेगा, do until loop. So all the loop, the purpose is same, just the syntax is changed. Some in the some other loop, ये जो initialization हो रहा है ना for loop में, maybe it will be here, right? Increment decrement is not between do means in this, in between these, it will be somewhere else. But the basic concept is same. These three statements will be there: initialization, condition, increment, decrement. Right? Now I am running this program. अभी इस program को अभी run कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? So click on this. Click on this. Now see here the output of this program. I will click on this print button. Now see, all the numbers from 1 to 20 will be printed in this list box. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All the numbers from 1 to 20 is printed in this list box. Now, so this is the use of what? Which one? Do while loop. Do while loop. Looping statement. So next looping statement is for next loop. Same यहाँ पे मैं यहीं पे बता दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है ना? So same this program we can do with the for loop also. So how change this one? The condition, just the change of syntax is there. How? So for, see here, counter. So any variable, take one variable, anything. Suppose I am taking count or I. I is one variable I am taking. I equal to initial value. Initial value is 1. 2, final value 20, I equal to 1 to 20. So here is the syntax. This one is the syntax. See here, initialization is this one, right? This one is the initialization, and here in between for or next we have to write the condition. What is the condition? See here everyone, no need to take this variable also. So see here, it means list box dot lt dot items dot add. समझ में आ रहा? here I. Just here
Yes, sir.
you have to use the I. Just here you have to use the I. Now run this program. Everyone, answer is coming or not?
Yes, sir.
So see here, just it is a change in the syntax. So click on print. So here the, see this code, try to understand this one. Here also three parts is there. What is this? For and next. For or next. This one is the keyword. Next is what? Keyword. I is what? I equal to 1 is initialization. So I have discussed three parts is required. One, initialization. Initialization. So I equal to 1 is what here? Initialization. Second one is increment and decrement. Increment or decrement. So try to understand here. So here increment and decrement is automatically incremented by 1. Why multiple ways are given? So this one is a for next loop. This one is do while loop. Another is do until loop. Why three different ways are given for solving the same purpose? Same ही प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए डिफरेंट सिंटैक्स क्यों दिया हुआ है? बिकॉज देयर इज सम लिमिटेशन इन सम वेज. सो फॉर नेक्स्ट लूप में हमारा लिमिटेशन क्या है कि हम लोग इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट खुद स्पेसिफाई नहीं कर सकते हैं, ऑटोमेटिकली बाय 1 होता है. बट डू वाइल लूप में क्या है? इंक्रीमेंट और डिक्रीमेंट. सी हियर n इक्वल टू n प्लस 1. आई एम राइटिंग, प्रोग्रामर इज राइटिंग, राइट? हियर यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग. n इज इक्वल टू n प्लस 2. सपोज आई डोंट वांट टू प्रिंट like 1 2 3, I want to print all the odd numbers. So starting here, see everyone, n is equal to 1. After that here I will change n is equal to n plus 2. So next time after 1 3 will be printed. But here in the for next loop, this is what? Limitation. This is one limitation, right? Or in some other language like Visual Basic, Q Basic is there, step is there, options is given, but here there is no such options, right? So this is the limitation. But the basic purpose here also is what? Printing the statements, printing the state. So increment and decrement here is automatically, and condition here also condition is there. What is the condition? Less than 30. Automatically here you can write any statements, but here statements is what? Sorry, here you can write your own condition, but here you cannot write your own condition. Means like dynamic condition you cannot write. This one, this type, n greater than this or n less than 20. Here just you are writing one value 20 30, right? So here my point is here this one is like this, I less than equal to 20. कंडीशन इज दिस. ऑटोमेटिकली इट इज इंटरनली खुद ये जो है ना कंपाइलर होता है, कंपाइलर विल कन्वर्ट दिस कोड. ये जो प्रोग्राम हम लोग लिखेंगे ना ऐसे, इसको इट विल कन्वर्ट दीज स्टेटमेंट्स. बैकग्राउंड में इस स्टेटमेंट को वो कन्वर्ट करेगा इस टाइप से, ठीक है ना? आई ये जो 20 लिखे हैं इसको कन्वर्ट कर देगा आई लेस देन इक्वल टू 20 में, ठीक है ना? ये हम लोग को नहीं दिखेगा, ये इंटरनल सा प्रोसेस है, ठीक है ना? Yes, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here also condition is there. Third one is here also condition is there, but that condition is not visible to you. Direct यहाँ पे visible नहीं है like this here. This one will be converted by the compiler, ठीक है ना? So this one is the use of what? For next and do while loop I have discussed. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, so in this
No,
way,
sir.
still lot of topics are there in this chapter, but I have to stop. So from the next class, जो भी अब अगला क्लास आएगा, from the next class we will discuss the Photoshop. The next chapter, the Photoshop will be start. Okay. So next part is revision. So everyone concentrate for the revision.
Sir, only 2 minutes is left.
So maybe 4 to 5 questions will be revised. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Required or not required? Which function key is used? Which, wait for some more minutes so that some questions you will get easily. So whatever the question I have given, those who are attending the class, they can easily attend, means score 20
Yes,
out of
sir.
20.
Revision is not required.
I have given the question in such a way that everyone can score 20. और जो होशियार हैं वो भी बुक से इधर उधर करके